Hello, once again, is Richard for here. This is midweek. This plan that I'm going for is a midweek's plan. Like, it's a plan from midweek. The last time he played, he used the midweek one to play this one, but I will be using this event rather instead for the ones in the midweek. But even the midweek ones are even good. So let's see. In the year 2023, in the Thursday fortune paper, at event 839, they play 21, 1, 2, 3, then they play 67, then they play 30 in machine center position, then 1, 2, 3 again, they play 64 with 17, 64, 17 by the 64. Then they play 42 in each machine. So following week here, you can see that the 64 is supposed to repeat and play with double 7. The 64 should repeat and play with double 7. Then that is the too sure. Then the 30 here will come and join it to give you the three numbers. That is 64, double 7, 30. So I'm using, is even the reason why I'm using this event, because of this 30 coming from there to come and play. So the 30 should play with 64 and then the double 7. You see the double 7 even repeat over there. When you come to the current, you will see that at event 1144, they play the 21 over there. Then 1, 2, 3, they play 67. Then the 30 will play in machine center position. So 1, 2, 3. Then they play the 64 with the 17. 42 in machine. So now this 64 is supposed to repeat and play with double 7. Then the 30 will join it to give you the three numbers. So 30, double 7, 64. Okay, let's go straight to the midweek itself and see how it goes over there. This is one of them. In the year 2020 machine here, you can see they also played two numbers last week. They play 64, 24, 64, 24. Following week, you can see that the 64 will repeat and play with the double 7. That is what he plays. So the 64 will repeat, play with double 7. If you come to the current, you will see that they also play the same 64 with the 24. 64 with the 24. So the 64 will repeat and play with the double 7. That is what he plays over there. Let's see another one also. This one in the year 2014. In the year 2014, so they also play the 64 with another number. So you can see all the event. The one I show in the Thursday, they play two numbers. The one I show first in the midweek itself also 2020, they play 2. This one also they play 2. 64, 79. So following week the 64 will repeat again and play with the 77. So 64, 77, too sure. If you come here to, you can see that they also play the 64 with the 79. So the 64 supposed to repeat and play. Even in the Thursday that I'm using the event, in the Thursday there is one that they use in the year 2020. They use the 77 rather to play it. So if you watch here, you can see that it's the 77 that they play. Following week you repeat and play with the 64. That thing is a plan on its own. So any of them that set, I'm going to show it. But this time around is the 64th one that set. So we have to use the 64 one to win. If you have something, feel free to PERM this event. And then, as I said, the three, all of them, they are good to play. But it's just that I'm using this one also. Feel free to PERM this one if you can. But I'm using the one in the Thursday because of the 30. That 30 that comes from there to play. It's the reason why I'm using this one. So this is the event 844. Numbers on the event: 52, single 4, 64, double 7, 30, 52, single 4, 64, double 7, and then 30. So those are the 5 numbers for the midweek. Let's hope for the best. Bye for now.